Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. Finding a quiet space, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Let's begin. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Release any tension you may be holding. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Let go of any thoughts or concerns. This is your time for relaxation and inner peace. As you breathe, bring your attention to the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or the gentle expansion and contraction of your abdomen. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide your focus back to your breath. There's no need to judge or analyze. Just observe the simple act of breathing. Now, let's bring awareness to your body. Starting from your toes, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over you. Feel it move up through your feet, ankles, and calves. Allow this soothing wave to continue, releasing tension from your muscles. Now bring your attention to any areas of your body that may be carrying stress or discomfort. Send your breath to these areas, allowing them to soften and relax. In this moment, you are fully present. Let go of the past and the future. Embrace the serenity of the present moment. As we conclude this meditation, take a few deep breaths. Feel the energy flowing through your body, revitalizing you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Bring a sense of calm with you as you return to your day. Thank you for joining this guided meditation for beginners. Remember, meditation is a journey, and every moment you spend in stillness is a gift to yourself. Be kind to yourself, and may you carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day.